We have nothing to cut it with or to eat it with. I'm gonna try and break some off. I'm not even really meant to eat this because of my histamine intolerance. So let's hope I don't have a reaction. Oh my god. Really good. I want more, but I don't know if I should. We're gonna go for a night swim. 7:30, it's almost 8. Okay, let's go. We're gonna have a little paddle, just like dip our feet in, because obviously we're not shaved. Check the temperature. Ew, what is in that? Ew. Dead wasp in there. Good deed. I found a plastic cup when we were swimming, and then also 2 bottle caps that I just found like around here. So I'm saving the turtles. That was so good. Ignore my sun allergy, guys. So we went on a boat, a catamaran boat, and it was literally my dream. We got to see the dolphins, and then we got to also snorkel, see some fish, which was good. We had to jump in. I wore this bikini, right? But I wouldn't be choosing to do this again. In order to snorkel, because that's the deeper part of the sea, I had to jump down off the boat, and I wasn't even that scared to jump. I just didn't want to because I thought this top was going to fly off. I almost flashed, so I probably did flash someone today, to be honest. So I just really didn't want to flash jumping in. Luckily I didn't, it was fine. And then I got to snorkel, see all the fish, so cute. I loved that. And then the guy, the captain, was he the captain? He was like coming in with us to like make sure we were all fine when we were doing the snorkeling. He was down at the bottom of, like, he took his like life jacket off, went down to the bottom of the, like where the reefs were, the coral. And then he came, next minute he's coming up. with a piece of coral. And then, then we went to the natural pool, which is like a shallow part in the middle of the sea. So nice there. And we've actually done like a similar excursion to this the last time we were here, but we didn't actually get to stay in the natural pool for very long. This time they provided a paddleboard and a volleyball. We were out on the boat for about 3 hours. I've now officially run out of shots on my disposable camera, which is actually a really nice way to like end off my disposable, because we've only got a couple of days left now, and the last few pictures were from the boat. So I actually don't mind that. I feel like that's a good use of my camera. Tan update. I look a bit red right now because obviously it's just been out, but crazy tan. We've also been having a few barbecues. The barbecue's going so well. Look, it looks so good. Have I updated you guys on this yet? Have I? I can't remember. And now I'm on the second book and I've ordered the third one. Found it on Vinted. I almost bought it from someone else. I found someone else selling it for £1, so I bought it. We might go to our favourite beach again tomorrow. Guys, I'm back at my favourite Dominican food place. Whoa! Look at my face! I got the same thing as last time, but I got my own one of this. Dad, you just go eat like this last time. So good. Today, we might go see the bunnies. There's a gym nearby and they do like bunny therapy. It's like doing like puppy yoga or puppy therapy, but it's just with bunnies instead, and it's so cute. I really want to see them, and they're so cute, and apparently they're like this big. Are we gonna order a boba? Me and Ian have decided to order our last boba. We went to take pictures. This yellow satin dress I got off of Vinted. I'm gonna order the boba. Uber Eats. I've never ordered this much Uber Eats ever in my life. Okay, food. We don't want to drive. We want some food. Boba is so good. Oh, that's the one we want. 2 of them, 2 boba. Eden, you just want yours normal. Ooh. Actually, we can't even do it any other way. Does anyone else want anything? Boba? But you can't get it customized on this. Caramel one with the boba pearls in it. You suppose? It has to have the pearl. Ruben hates the pearls, but he's gonna have to have the pearls. Let's order it. Go to checkout. So 3 bobas. Oh, expensive. No, thank you. Maybe so sad when this is not my everyday. I can just go get a boba, come back from the beach, get a boba, go on a little walk, get a boba. Oh, I'm coming in about 20 minutes. Next. Order and pay. Boba. Boba's here, and I've also made myself some nachos. So. When did we last have it? 2 days ago? Yeah. Or a day ago. I don't know. It's like it gets better every time. Now let me stir it. I can't believe this is the last boba.